everything that brought me alive. Going around like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. It took my hands without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going around like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my hands without an alibi.
If you are planning to start a car wash business in Ghana or anywhere across Africa, then this video can serve as a guide. In this video, I'll share with you our journey running a solar-powered car wash in Ghana and cover some things you need to know, from choosing the type of car wash, location, water, electricity, equipment, layout, staffing, security, budgeting, and even customer care. Let's get into it. The car wash industry is one of the businesses that thrives when done right. In Africa, people own cars for many reasons: convenience, status, or prestige. And with that ownership comes the need for proper maintenance, which includes frequent washing. Regular washing not only keeps cars looking good, but also prevents rusting and preserves the paint. That's why car washes are in high demand. Before starting, the most important step is research. Before we got started, we did a market survey of existing car washes around our location. And doing the research, we studied the following: 1. Their services and operations. 2. Pricing models. 3. Peak business days. 4. Their water sources. And finally, even some of the challenges that they did encounter while operating. This data gave us the foundation to plan properly and avoid common mistakes. Let's talk about choosing location. Location is everything. A good location determines how much traffic your car wash would attract. Now, in selecting the location, consider these following: 1. Traffic flow, number of cars and motorbikes that pass by daily. 2. Income level of the area, whether it's a low income, middle income, or high income area. And then 3. Main transportation type, whether being it cars, motorcycles, or a mixture of both cars and motorcycles. For us, we are situated along a busy highway linking Eastern, Greater Accra, and Central regions. The area is a mixed rural-urban with about 60% motorcycles and 40% cars. Understanding this helped us shape our business strategy. You must do same in your area. Let's look at water, which is the lifeline of a car wash. Without water, a car wash cannot survive. Doing our research, we discovered 2 nearby car washes relied on streams, which often dried up, forcing them out of business, especially during drying period. Another had a well, which was more reliable. To avoid the risk, we invested in drilling 2 boreholes, 1 main borehole and 1 backup. We also installed filters to ensure clean water. Remember, always secure a reliable water source, whether it's a stream, well, river, or borehole. Without this, your business is at risk. Let's look at electricity powering operations. Electricity is equally important, especially if you are using pressure washers and pumps. In our case, connecting to the national grid was costly and unreliable, so we built a complete off-grid solar system. The benefits? No power cuts, no prepaid meter worries, and lower long-term cost. If solar is expensive in your case, consider a generator as backup or use fuel-powered pressure washers to keep operations running, especially during outages. Let's look at layout and setup. A well-planned layout ensures smooth workflow. Cars should enter, get washed, and exit without causing congestions. You also need to design spaces for washing and drying areas, customer waiting area, washrooms, storage for equipment. For us, we built 90% concrete flooring, a strong washing ramp, proper drainage, and comfortable waiting area with washrooms. Remember, invest in quality construction for durability, especially for the ramps. Poorly built ramps collapse often in many car washes. Let's look at equipment. The type of equipment you buy depends on the services you offer. As a full service car wash, we use electric pressure washers. Choosing the right one is critical. Look for a pressure washer which has rating that matches the automobiles you'll be washing. An example, if you are going to be washing trailers, tractors, big or heavy equipment, then you need a very high pressure washer which is able to do the work. But if you are going to be washing cars, motorcycles, and things in that line, then you need a pressure washer which has normal pressure so as you don't damage the car paint. Some car wash use extremely high pressure washer machines which can harm vehicles. Do your research before buying. Let's look at budgeting and cost of setup. One important aspect of setting up a car wash is your budget. There's no fixed amount. You can start small or go big. For a starter setup with a small location, basic facilities, and few pressure washers, you can begin with about 150,000 cedis. This will cater for equipment and some basic structures. Whether or not you already own the land will also make a difference. On the other hand, going the extra mile like we did will cost more. In our case, we invested over 600,000, and this catered for land purchase and documentation, 2 boreholes plus filtration system, off-grid solar power system, car wash structure such as the ramp, concrete flooring and drainage, customer waiting area and washrooms, security, that is the fence wall, electric fence, CCTV system, as well as a security post, and equipment, that is the pressure washers, the pumps, hoses, tools, as well as a vacuum cleaner, among others. And then miscellaneous, which was for permit, signage, furniture, among others. This is why no 2 car wash will cost the same. The type, size, quality of setup will determine how much you need. Let's look at security. Security is key in this business. We fenced our entire car wash, installed an electric fence, and mounted CCTV cameras. These not only protect vehicles but also help us monitor staff and improve service. We also have a security post in place for future use. Let's talk about workers and staff management. One of the biggest challenges in the car wash industry is retaining workers. Many see it as a low status job. To solve this, we introduce incentives as well as commissions per wash. Also, because motorcycles dominate in our area, we allow riders to do self-service wash under supervision. This reduces staff workload while still earning revenue. It's a win-win situation. Let's look at safety. Sadly, safety is often ignored in most Ghanaian car wash. We take it seriously. Our staff receive safety training and we provide gear like safety glasses, ear protection, Wellington boots, gloves, raincoats, among others. We also train them on first aid and fire extinguisher use. This reduces accidents and protects both staff and customers' vehicles. Record keeping and accountability. Another area that's often overlooked is record keeping. At our car wash, we document every job we carry out. Each attendant record their own work, after which they account to the manager. We've built trust among our workers, so they are diligent in their records. To prevent anomalies, we also rely on CCTV footage for verification. For self-service motorcycle washers, we sell washing powder. The number of sachets sold directly represent the number of self-washes done, making it easy to calculate revenue. At the end of every week, we enter all records into a simple Excel sheet for tracking. This helps us monitor growth, identify peak days, and plan for expansion. Proper record keeping is critical if you want to treat this as a real business and not just as a side hustle. Talking about customer care sets you apart. Our goal for our customers is to leave happy, return again, and recommend us to others. We keep our environment clean, provide a comfortable waiting area with washrooms, and sometimes go the extra mile in the services we provide. Many customers even mistake our car wash for a pub because of the setup. That's how high our standard is. Let's look at growth and training. Finally, never stop training your workers and improving your services. The car wash industry is competitive, and consistent quality is what keeps you ahead. So if you are planning to start a car wash business in Ghana or anywhere in Africa, remember, do your research. Search for a very good location, have a reliable water source, have steady power, do proper layout, provide the right equipment, and have a smart budgeting. Provide security, motivate your workers, and ensure safety. Keep records and also have excellent customer care. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.